Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking for a beautiful charcuterie board, then this one from SPEShh should definitely be the one you get.
Meet the perfect centerpiece for your next gathering, this acacia wooden round serving board. It is crafted from premium acacia wood and it brings together durability and natural beauty all in one elegant piece. If you want height, you can put the removable feet on it for a pedestal style riser, or if you want a flat surface, you can take the legs off and use it as a versatile tray. It's perfect for charcuterie, cheese boards, bread, fruit, or even a stylish display. It is the perfect thing for hosting dinner with friends or simply elevating your everyday table. It has style and function, so it is the perfect thing to gift someone or yourself.
I love how versatile this is. It can be a charcuterie, a serving board, even just decoration. It is so beautifully made, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.